My camera has taken me all over the world. It's actually amazing to see how much you can experience with just a creative tool in these remote environments. But if I'm being honest, it's my daily commute. But it's not always been like that. What makes you happy? Why are you not taking the risks to do something you really love? When do you lose sense of time? I thought I knew the answers to those questions back in the office, but I was scared to make the move. What if it doesn't work out? What if you suck? What if you lose it all? The real question is, what if you never tried? Photography has been a big part of my life. I like doing things that I have never done before. With photography, it can get challenging as you can catch yourself doing over and over same type of work for same clients and never actually get anything done for yourself. It's your passion after all. It's how it all started. But is it really for yourself? What does it even mean? The creation of meaningful eye-candy content with no story that you will never watch? Or will you? For yourself? Or is it something bigger than that? Something that you want to share with others, with close ones, with family, with the world. Something for everyone, for all of us. Someone once said, it is not death people are afraid of. It is getting to the end of life only to realize you haven't tried. You haven't tried. And you haven't risked it. You haven't risked it all. Life flies. It flies so fast. I just remember when I turned 20. Forget about it. We have dreams that we never pursue because we are afraid and we say we have no time. But truly, do we? Time has us. It controls everything around us and in us. It controls our actions, our desires, our death. And it's only a matter of time until you're out of it. To me, life is not meant for 9 to 5, for paychecks and pay rent. Life is meant for passion, happiness, emotions, freedom, peace, and no war. You may have excuses. Oh well, he already had it all. It's so easy for her. Look at her, she's rich. So easy to say that. He is talented. I'm not. To me, there is a hard work. Practice over and over and over. It is a risk that you took. It is an action you did that you have never done before and you polished it over the years. Now that's a talent. Without consistency, you will never finish. You will never get where you wanted to get, so you have to do whatever it takes. For every time you fail, it's a small victory and one step closer to your passion. Denzel Washington once said, if you don't fail, you're not even trying. To get something you never had, you have to do something you never did. It does not matter what I have going on during the day. If I'm able to pick up my camera and take the shot, I forget about all the stress I had or problems that existed. And that's the gift that the camera brings. It is a whole new world you live in. It is the whole new life you are given.